Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing good. Now, in this video, you will learn a very important topic that is string data type in Python. So let's start practically see how to create a string, right? How to use the string operations and some built-in functions. I'm just going to use all this. So let us start. First of all, just open the ID. Here we will create the string. So a string is a sequence of character which is enclosed within single quotes, double quotes, or yeah, triple quotes. First of all, create. I'm just going to create a string. A is equal to image. Simply, we can also create by using the data variable b, where I'm just going to create the image. And also we can create another variable where we can create the welcome. So this way we can create the string variable, which can be included in double quotes, can be in a single quotes or in a triple, either a single or so different ways we can create. Now, how can we access? How can we display the string? So, like by using the print A, you can see the output here differently. Print B, and also print C. So this way you can check the output, and now you can see here the output. So different ways how we can create the string variables. Now how we access? Now we try to understand the indexing. If I just want to display the character here, so what will be the characters in the string? It can be a letter, it can be symbols, or special characters. So all these part of the string can be so letter, digit, symbol, or underscore. Symbol or space can be allowed in a. So first of all, just try to understand the index. If you just want to display any characters like M, I just want to display the M, the very first variable. So how can we display? So here, just try to understand the sequence, that is the index value of the start from the left, right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space 6, 7, this way. Right? So if I want to display the character, any particular characters, can be displayed by using the index. So print A, and then we can write down the index value of M, that is 0, 1, 2. Now check the output. What will be the output? It will display M, right? It will display M. Simply, we can also display by using the right to left. So it will in the minus. First, for example, I'm just going to G. So it should be -1, -2, right? -1, -2, -3. So when we write down the -2, it will display the, what will be the output? It will display the second character from the right. So it should be the G, right? Also, we can substring, we can a part of the string, it can be displayed. For example, I just want to display the first four characters. For this, I just need to write down the start position, should be the 0, and thereafter colon, and the end position. That is the fourth character. I just want to 1, 2, 2 up to here, right? So 0, 1, first, second, third, fourth, and fourth that can be a 4. So what will be the output here? It will display the output. It should be from the first four characters CIMA, right? It should be the output like this. Just try to just check what will be the output. Now, yes, it should be the. So different ways we can display by slicing, by you can as a part of the substring we can display. Now, just going to by using the string operation, how can we concatenate two strings? For example, first is image and second one is the here college. Right. It's going to concatenate two string by using the, so write down here print A plus B, concatenation. By using the concatenation operator that is here, I'm just going to concatenate using the plus operator. So it is concatenation. What will be the output? So when you concatenate, you will get the output without any space. CBase college without any space. Just try to just run this program, right? So there is no space between. So how can we space? So you can just use this one space and add. This is the concatenation operation, and this way we can uh, provide a space. Now you can see this is the there is a space between the simply repetition. If I just want to repeat like particular, I'll just comment it. Now, if you want to repetition like I just want to print image 5 times, so you can use this one, fixed sign, and number of times you want to. So what will be the output here? You will get the 5 times. It will display this image 5 times. Just now run this program and you can get one. Yes. So you just find out the even. Now we'll discuss some of the important inbuilt functions. So just I want to find the length of the string. How can we find out the length of the string? We use here the print, now here the len function, len and a. So this way we can find the length of the string. Here we just get the number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I just want to make the test, other functions is going to use that is the len uppercase. We can convert the uppercase and the lowercase. How can we perform the operation? Lower function and the upper function. So if we just want to convert in the upper, we can just write down this way to the run this program and you will get, so it can be written as a dot upper u, right? We can check if it can be, yes, we can get. So now we can also perform this upper case. It can be converted. Now we can convert this in the by lower case. This convert right down in the up. Yes. Now and we can use here the lower. Okay. So this way it can be converted to this run the program and first it can be we will get the string in the lower case. So now we just run the program now creating. So I hope you will able to understand the points which I explained. Thanks for watching the video.